Hello, welcome to Hexagon at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics. My name is Jan Klingen, Vice President EMEA North, and I'm here with my team, showing all our capabilities as an end-to-end workflow for this side mirror case. On this machine, you can see the reality capturing. My colleague can tell you way more about this amazing technology.
Here at Hexagon Manufacturing Intelligence, we have a really broad portfolio of technologies for manufacturing, covering the entire product lifecycle, from design onto the shop floor in manufacturing and then finally to quality inspection. Nexus is our new cloud-based platform to bring it all together. Using Nexus, we can connect point technology solutions together throughout the product lifecycle to create new value-adding workflows for our customers.
Hexagon Design and Engineering Solutions, we're all about engineering the part, engineering the manufacturing process to get the part right first time, so that you don't waste money with warranty, retooling, getting production process optimum, minimum cost, maximum reliability, efficiently.
Super excited to be exhibiting here at Southern Manufacturing, and I'd love to show you some of our products, like the 1010 light scanner we've got on the coordinate measurement machine, or some of our production software or computer-aided engineering capabilities that we've got here on display, or the fabulous AS1 scanner that we've got sat on the arm here. But more than that, I'd like to talk to you about our solutions, which is the collection of all of our products, but in a connected way to solve your engineering problems.
ETQ Reliance is HMI's quality management platform, and it provides a single place to manage quality events and processes from the initial design phase right the way through the product or service life cycle to customer feedback from the field.
Production software, a division of manufacturing intelligence, will take a CAD file from our design and engineering software. It will then transfer into a suite of CAM solutions for machining. Once that part has then been machined and it's finished, it will then move into our metrology devices for inspection.
It's about speeding up time to market, increasing productivity and sustainability, and that's where I believe that Hexagon can help you.